everyone and welcome into yet another live stream in which we make it happen. Hi! Hello everyone, welcome to yet another Checkup, and today we'll be walking the video yet again. So, let me just make sure that I forgot about music. I knew I was forgetting about something. I always forget about something, okay. With VLC multiplayer, and there we go. Now, today of course we'll be breaking physics using math. That's the video, in which we do some wacky maths for even wackier physics. Oh yeah. Okay. There we go, that's the animation we did last time, still rendering. I don't really like how the pitch blackness of this tends to blue, but I suppose it is mathematically accurate at least. We could have switched the... not only the value of our material, but also the color. We could have just switched it to white, but then it would be completely unreadable in the dark scene, so I feel like it's good enough. Now, we do have a lot of recording. Going to try to streams. Hydrogen on fire. It depends. Whatever we do. Right now we're just walking the video. So, although soon I might even do some programming live streams. Gaming, programming, science, walking, anything, honestly. Oh yeah, and also another thing is, I'm pretty sure I remember correctly. Anime in time, hi the Samuel. Is that we also have time dilation, which is this one. Quantum mechanics, and then you just move on, never go. No, that's abstraction. That's time dilation. That's to be expected. What's the big deal? The cube is traveling forward at... how about physics? So first let's start simple with something simple like relativity, you know, the simple thing. Something nice and easy, not too complex. How about relativity? Hell yeah. So yeah, today we'll just be walking animations mostly, because we have a lot of animations to do. Like, I mean a lot. Unfortunately, the biggest killer will, as always, be the render time. Of course. It always is the render time. It's always the render time. Is this animation even rendered? No, it's not. No, it is not. Damn it, and we're already rendering another animation in the background. Sharks, Dagnabbit, and... no. That's right, we can import this. Time dilation, to be exact. Here's an time dilation, to be exact. Here's an equation. I'm gonna say here's an... yeah, there's a bit oddly timed. How is everyone doing, by the way? How's everyone's day going? Hi, Tilly, welcome. To be exact. Here's an equation. Here's an equation. Just chucks in an equation like that. It's unprofessional. What does it mean? It means that we have a cube number 1 moving forward and a cube number... yeah, okay, so we just need for that to render. Cool, okay, well, let's go for another chapter then, I suppose. What would be another chapter? Well, this is the... why is my break physics? Okay, so we're rendering for this one. That's this one, which is... well, once again, we will render once we have the space and the graphics card for it. Then, if our cube is traveling, yeah, whatever. It doesn't make any sense. Go fast and feel light. So, 2 elevators example. We could animate that. 2 elevators in which the... no idea what's higher, it doesn't make any sense. It's kind of like having 2 elevators in which the first one is higher than the second one and the second one is higher than the first one. Damn it, all of these require a lot of render time. There is another way to do it, in which I could just set up one file and then render it off stream. Which we'll have to do. Which we will have to do. Which means right here for the time dilation, we just have to keep animating as nothing happens. Why is everyone so quiet? Don't let my walking distract, you know, well, stop you from chatting. I'm all for chatting. I'm all for distractions. I'm going forward to observing it. We have cube number 1. So right here we need a number 1 to appear on our cube. Simple enough. Oh, why isn't it the top-down view? That's just bad. That's just a bad idea. This should be a top-down view. Why isn't it a top-down view? Good question. I gave up on Blender just because the render times, sample time was 10,000. I mean, yeah, the render times do tend to get pretty, well, at times they get, let's just say, chunky a bit. Oh, because there was text in the way. That's a dumb reason. That's a really dumb reason. Especially since we can just move the text higher up. Like this. The problem solved. There we go. Just use the time traveling to learn the stuff. Yeah, all I need is just imaginary mass. Okay, it's slowly moving back. Which is not exactly something we want. We don't want it to be moving back. We like it to be moving on the floor. I didn't keep... It's fine, make it. It's fine. There we go. Although we'll need some more space. There, okay. This looks pretty decent. And then you, my dear friend, should go right here. Right, that's where I will need you to go. Okay, fortunately your scale is also keyframed, which means that... But apparently your rotation wasn't. Oh no, it just changes really quickly. No idea why. Well, good, that's good. That seems good enough to me. I have a pretty good PC. I sure hope I have a pretty good PC. I built it specifically to render animations. It better be good. I'm really in the mood to program in C, you know? We might do some C research for a light graphical engine today too. Whilst, you know, everything is rendering in the background. That'll be actually pretty efficient use of time, you know? You know. You get it.
Equation. What does it mean? It means that we have a cube number 1 moving forward and a cube number 2 observing it. Then this would be the time of our observer cube and this would be the time of our moving cube.
Yeah, so...
What does it mean? It means that we have a cube number 1 moving forward and a...
Okay, yeah, so we don't need to render this. So we need to wait for the first one to render, so that then we can render the second one. You know what? We're just gonna do some research in the background. Might as well. Some tender the rest of us, bro. Literally a science god. Well, I mean, you know, Lord would be enough. You don't have to call me God. Although you should, but yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm that intelligent. I think I have pretty average intelligence. I just can't pick what to do, so. I've never seen this kind of... I'm sorry, what? Okay, I'm looking for a light C graphical engine. Lightweight and modular. Buzzwords I'm interested in. Last release from 2020. Okay. Make it forms a gold. Yeah. I form a because I haven't done that because remember it's the Church of Make It is not a cult. It's a community of people who just happen to all pay a fee. Are there any famous graphical? Because what I'm looking for is basically... Other than quantum physics, I think have pretty average intelligence. Quantum physics is not that difficult. Well, the basic stuff. The advanced quantum physics is difficult, but you know, everything advanced is difficult. A light C. Well, that sounds like something I'd be interested in. No, Advanced development system. Where's your version? What I'm looking for is basically something like something like all C pixel game engine. I know many of you are. Why am I looking it up on the second stream? That's a good question. All C pixel game engine by one lone coder. It's basically like a lightweight C engine, basically. If you were to start over, what would you do? You know, the skills intelligence. The exact same thing as I did when I started. So basically just try a lot of things. I always call it disrespecting the science, like the best way to learn it. So pretend, if you think that quantum mechanics is difficult, just pretend like it isn't. Pretend like it isn't, and then just try and try and try again until you get quantum mechanics. That's how I do it, at least. I just pretend that things aren't as difficult as they should be, and then with that assumption I'm going in and then just doing stuff. I mean, I could do the Vulkan, but I don't want to go through that again. I've already been there. C OpenGL. Display an image. I could do it with Vulkan. OpenGL. Let's see. How difficult is it to... That does not seem difficult at all. That does not seem difficult in the slightest. To be fair, this more C++. Kronos. Oh, I mean, I guess like Kronos would know. They made the bloody thing. Very casual 4 AM stream. Hi, the flame. It is casual. I mean, yeah, you know, just doing some light research. OpenGL. I don't want to do Vulkan though. I shouldn't do Vulkan. Oh, mosquito. And it's dead. Did I kill him the first try? Never mind, I am amazing. Let's see, what's the difference between... Okay, I mean, I know what the difference between OpenGL and Vulkan is, but... How different is it truly? It's 10 PM here in Maryland. Yeah, precisely. This is more of an American livestream than a European one, if I'm being honest. LearnOpenGL.com. I absolutely love these websites. Website made specifically to teach you how to use this one thing. Nope, there's another mosquito. Gotcha! Oh, I'm amazing. Kinda happy. How difficult would it be? God. There we go, reconnected. Yeah, okay, it's just a simple version of Vulkan. What a shocker. I'm curious, how difficult is it to create a window in OpenGL? Now, of course, you need the GLFW. Yeah, boilerplate. I'm mostly interested in... Of course, there's some boilerplate, but that boilerplate is mainly just... okay, could be worse. I had to make it. How will I think for... I really want to program in C. I really want to make something in C, you know? I'd be really impressed if you mastered OpenGL in one stream. Samuel, so you don't know. Oh, I see. Are you familiar with what Vulkan is, Samuel? What even is OpenGL? OpenGL is like basically... It's a way for you to use graphical stuff in C, for example. It's basically a way for you to interact with graphics. Like I said, pretty good description. Now what's Vulkan? Vulkan is a way to interact with graphics, except for people who are criminally insane. Unreal Engine. Like, hi, the Tefta! Yeah, basically, I mean, yeah, OpenGL is, yeah. Vulkan is different, however. Vulkan is basically... Like, if you have OpenGL, which is a way for you to interact with graphics, Vulkan is what you would use to make OpenGL. Mickey can't see the stream, he'll never be able... I mean, I can't learn that, I already know it. Should I do it in Vulkan again? I shouldn't. I know I shouldn't. Yeah, as I mentioned, I love these websites because there is also a website called Vulkan Tutorial, which just teaches you step by step, but that's not my favorite one. There was another website, if I remember correctly. Was Learn Vulkan? No, that wasn't it, was it? No. There was like a different website. I think it was this one. I remember the web design, I don't remember the site exactly. No. vkguide.dev, yes, that's the one. Oh, I absolutely loved it. This one sets up just proper. We modded Doom to use OpenGL to make it look better. So, could I possibly use OpenGL to make a donut using C? Yes, you could. Vulkan is different, however, because it gives you a lot more... Is freedom the right word? It gives you a lot more control. Control is not always needed and not always desirable. The basic problem with Vulkan is that Vulkan requires a lot of boilerplate. Boilerplate is basically code which just has to be there to start everything up, and it's boring, not interesting. And you know, you have a little bit of boilerplate when it comes to Vulkan, you know, just like a little. Oh, this is using VK Bootstrap, so that's trying to eliminate some boilerplate. But there's like a little bit, you know, just a tiny little, just a tad, just a tad, you know, just a little bit. And then right here, if I'm not mistaken, you've set up Vulkan, but I don't think you can open a window. Or you definitely can't draw anything. Then you have this, which is more boilerplate. Then you have this, which is more boilerplate. Then you have this, which is more boilerplate. Then you have, but at least you can render something in the end. Why not just set up functions to minimize the amount of boilerplate? Yeah, that's what you're doing here. Well, not functions. The problem is that in this case, well, that's the upside and downside of Vulkan, right? The boilerplate is there for a reason. So the downside is that there's a lot of boilerplate. The upside is that you have access to that boilerplate and you can change it to whatever you want. Which means that you have a lot more control, which means you can make faster and better things. Things which I don't actually need for what I'm trying to do. So that's why I should use OpenGL instead of just trying it with Vulkan again, because, well, not trying, last time I did succeed, but instead of doing it with Vulkan, because Vulkan is insane! OpenGL.tutorial.org. I love these websites. Last website update from 2017. Full source code. Yeah, full source. I don't need full source code. It shouldn't be much. Is it much? Please don't tell me it's much. Red triangle in the second tutorial? That's all you need for a red triangle? Whoa! What kind of witchcraft is this? For a red triangle in Vulkan, I needed 5 different files with just 12 kilobytes in between them. Is there anything lighter than OpenGL? Like OpenGL Lite? Just a... I mean Chronos, I guess Chronos, that's what I should do. Okay. So Chronos is responsible for basically holding up everything when it comes to graphics. If you've ever interacted with any sort of graphics or any sort of multi-threading or any sort of parallel computing or anything, basically any piece of technology humanity ever created, then you've likely did it because of Chronos. So everyone collectively, I would like you all to thank Chronos right now. It's really a lot. It's a lot. The most difficult one is OpenCL because you can use it to basically create everything else on this list. The simplest one I know is OpenGL, but there has to be something simpler, right? Active standards. Would you happen to have maybe like a TLDR for each one of them? Okay. You would. That's nice. Cross-platform 3D rendering engine API. Scientific of running hardware functionality been more recent percentage run without the need for low-level graphics code. I like low level. Why there's so money? I thought it was just OpenGL. Oh, it's not just OpenGL. What's the project here, by the way? Well, so far I can't say much. For Patreon only, chat. But what I can say is that I would like to handle logic in C, and I would need to display that logic using graphics. XML base schema to make easy transport 3D assets. That might be useful, but not for now. Vision control rendering APIs OpenGL. OpenGL native platform Windows system. Okay, so is there anything ES? What's ES? Royalty-free cross-platform API for running advanced 3D graphics embedded mobile systems, including embedded systems. Embedded systems? No. Graphics API in the industry. I mean, yeah, I should do it already. Make it fun. It actually is really fun. It is really fun if you eliminate the boring bits. That's why I should do it with OpenGL and not Vulkan, because that eliminates a lot of boring bits. Okay, no, let's just examine the options first before going in. Open VA, just all the opens. What does SC? What does SC mean? Safety critical? No, we don't care. The safety, come on. Safety in programming? That's just called a developer's backdoor, is what I call it. WebGL will not. No, I know what that is. That's actually not what I'm interested. SQL cross-platform abstraction layer that enables code for energies and of the process to be written using modern ISO C++. Oh, quite a lot I'm looking for. APIs for confine devices, which code can be executed into my data resource and code execution to the device. That's actually, ooh, that would be really useful. But no. I have arrived. Hi, welcome. If you're already using C, then OpenGL should be fine, right? Yeah, but it's a bit of a commitment, so I would like to examine my options first. I will probably end up going with OpenGL. Or not being lightweight. I mean, I am worried. I would like it to be as lightweight as possible. That's why we should do it in OpenGL. These graphics are always just impressive in my opinion. Trying to break down something this complex into a graphic, that should be an Olympic sport. Hold on, what's perfect? Oh no, I know, I've used this before, okay, no. Portable immersive experiences, royalty-free OpenSAT provides common set of APIs for developing XR applications that... No. VX, power efficient vision processing, and I mean, that's really cool, but no. Effective graphics acceleration. No, OpenGL this. Okay. What's the difference between them? They're all for different things. So, basic idea is for graphics, not only graphics. This is basically more about parallel computing. Basic idea is that you have a lot of different tasks for which you can break them down into a lot of small tasks which can be all executed all at once. That process is extremely difficult. It's really difficult to program parallel computing. It's a headache, it's a mess, it's really easy to break, there's a lot of problems. And so Kronos is basically our lone and sole savior right? In this case, because Chronos provides standards to make it easier. So if you like to do parallel computing, if you just like to use graphics, right? Graphics, then that's using parallel computing. So then you could use OpenGL. If you like to do machine learning using parallel computing, then that would be, well, one of those was for machine learning, I don't remember which one. The visual processing, then you could use this one. If you like to do VR stuff, then this one, and so on and so forth. If you like to just do parallel computing without any specifics, just do parallel computing by itself, then OpenCL is for you, although it's really difficult, it still provides a lot of helpful stuff. And if you'd like to go in between the graphics and the parallel computing by itself, then Vulkan. So basically there are all ways to break down one task into a lot of small tasks that can be executed all at once. Except it saves you a lot of headache because you don't have to implement everything yourself because Chronos did. I'm not explaining it all that well, but yeah, it's basic gist of it. Alright, well, SDK we already have open. Resources would be nice. Modern CD graphics programming. Well, I don't need modern, I just need setup. That's all I need to do. Make it WTF account settings are out of date? No way. Shadow mapping. I don't want anything fancy. I just want basics. That sounds nice. That sounds what I'm looking for. Yeah, opening a window, first triangle, matrices. I mean, first triangle is actually where it will end for us probably, because the rest is not really all that dependent on OpenGL. At least I hope. Hold on, let me check up on the animation. How's it doing? Oh, 2 more frames. Well then, if this is 2 more frames, then we might as well also render this one. There we go. The only reason to use parallel processing is for speed and syncing, right? Mostly speed. But that's a capital S speed. There is a lot of speed to be had with parallel processing. That's why graphics cards exist, actually. They're not really graphics cards as much as they are parallel cards. Well, these days they are actually graphics cards, but they didn't start as graphics cards. They started as just parallel processing units. That's how you can think of them. Nowadays they are optimized for graphics a lot, but that's their main thing. Well then, let's see. Forget everything. Who am I? Who am I? You don't have to know anything. You have to forget everything we know about OpenGL. Well, I didn't know much. That should be simple. If you know about something that looks like begin, forget it. You learn more than OpenGL. OpenGL and Film 4. I like modern stuff. So Chronos does web stuff. I'm missing something. WebGL, that's a bit out of my range. I'm not all that familiar with web stuff, but I'm pretty certain WebGL is... Where's WebGL? Is precisely just... cross-platform royalty-free open web standard for low-level 3D graphics API based on OpenGL ES exposed to script via HTML5 canvas element. So this is basically graphics, but for an HTML canvas element. So easier way to interact with web browsers for graphics. Extreme oversimplification, but good enough. By chance, does GL means graphical language? Actually, maybe. What does GL stand for? It might be graphics language. OpenGL. What does OpenGL mean? Graphics language. No plus. Is it plus? I mean, just OpenGL. Why is OpenGL++ higher than OpenGL? Ridiculous. Open graphics library. Yeah. Cross-language, cross-platform application programming interface. I love all of these words as a C programmer because dealing with other platforms is just boring. It's just so unbelievably boring. Make standards for everything tech related. Yeah. Not everything, but a lot. A lot. As I mentioned, if you've interacted with any sort of computer, then you have Chronos to thank. So alternative to writing it all yourself in JavaScript? No. Not really. It's not really an alternative to JavaScript because WebGL is... It's more powerful, basically. So it's not like an alternative to writing it all in JavaScript. If you write something in WebGL, it should be much faster than if whatever you could do with high abstraction level tools. The same way as C is the fastest language because it's low level, the same way WebGL should be faster than high level because it's low level. But it links low level with extremely low level with extremely high level, which is really impressive. Alright. Forget everything. Cool. Upgrade your drivers, do it. You've been... I also love this style of writing for most of these. Building on Windows. CMake. Oh, but I wanted to compile it myself using GCC. I don't like CMake. I should like CMake, but I don't like CMake. I've tried liking CMake, but I don't like CMake. Source code. Oh, just straight up the download, alright. Do the fuck you want to public license. I like it. I like that license. There is a lot. This is a very random way to start the project, actually. I should have done some research before the stream, but to be fair, before the live stream, I didn't know that I was going to do it on stream. Normally, I would like to do most of the boring work off stream and then start the stream, and then I would look really smart. I would be like, hey, look at that, I'm so clever, I understand all of this. But right now, I'm going to be learning on stream, so I'm not going to look clever, I'm going to look like an idiot. Alright. You want to install everything? I would like to code myself, preferably, because then that will be much easier for me to remember. Okay, CD, desktop, project, surgery, and then mkdir. Good luck. Open GL, have fun. There. Sweet. No idea, so interesting. I mean, it's really, really cool. If you're into computer science, then Chronos would be really fun for you, because it's really rare that you have like a set. It's open. I love it. I love Chronos. For instance, yeah, launch CMake in the first line, navigate the answer folder. Okay, first of all, I would really like to know this CMake, if I may. May I? Okay, let's do it. Opening a window with OpenGL without using any of the tools they recommend. What could possibly go wrong? One interesting thing about programming languages is trying to make computers do without going into the computer itself and organizing it itself, and I found it funny. I mean, yeah, that's how electricity works. Chronos virtue means god of time in Greek. Yeah, in this case, it's the god of saving us time. No, not tutorial 2, that's a bad idea. Tutorial 1, we just want to open a window for now. This is the code we'd like to get to work, that's simple enough. And basically, what I'll now try doing is I will try to just paste in the code, paste C, and then actually it might already compile. There's a solid possibility it will compile if I just, because I'm pretty certain I already have, well, I don't know if I have this, but I'm pretty certain I have this. I don't know if I have this actually. Whoops, it might not compile, okay. Well, it won't compile obviously by just GCC, but GCC, paste C, and then time to look for the files that I'm missing. I should have most of them, if not some of them. I have GLM! Oh, how sweet. What's the one we need? GLM HPP. I have that. Okay, so includes, if I remember correctly, like this. Let's see, we should get some errors, obviously. GL, makes sense. The first one missing is GL. Oh, I have so many things. Sweet. GLFW requires GLFW3, which I don't have that there. Ah, that looks like time again. Hi, the Codecraft. I'm doing OpenGL for the first time ever. Okay. I don't know how to link multiple stuff, so I'm just gonna do... I haven't programmed in C for a really long time. And of course, last thing I'm missing is GL, which, well, I mean, these, I still could be missing these, I just don't know it because I haven't linked them properly. Because we didn't get to the second stage because we don't have GL. What is GL used for? Include glue. What is glue used for? What are you gluing together? Glue. This one actually is a little bit magic, but let's leave that for later. No, I want it right now. What does glue mean? What is glue used for? Because I'm also learning OpenGL now. Well, that's curious then. What a coincidence indeed. Glue, OpenGL extension wrangler library, is a cross-platform open source CSS person extension loading library. Provide efficient runtime mechanics for determining which OpenGL extensions are supported in the target platform. OpenGL core. So I don't care about it. Okay, so we can modify the code if we try hard enough. If we comment this out, first of all, we can comment the include to see. Include CMAF. What? Where? Oh, that's in GLM. Oh no. Oh no. No, we don't. We're using names. Oh, this is also C. No. We're not using names for GLM. What are we doing with GLM? What's GLM used for? I'm assuming that stands for GLMath. We're gonna implement it ourselves. Okay, could be wrong. I mean, could be worse. Well, it is wrong, but it could be worse. That's because we're missing the links, which makes sense, and that should be an easy fix. Because... what we're missing exactly? But but like... I'm gonna tell us what file we're missing, or just figure it out. Just figure it out. Okay, got it. We're missing the libraries, basically. Which is fine. That's fine. I think. Do I have the libraries, or do I have the source files? Okay, this is the folder in which I have all the things. I should have all the things, at least. HC. We're mainly looking for DLL, or alternatively... I don't remember the static link. That's just the include. Do I need to build it using CMake? I don't know how CMake works. I don't like CMake. Even libraries into project truly was. Yeah, everyone hates it, but it has to be done, unfortunately. Make? CMake? How does CMake work? Oh, would you look at that? I have CMake. CMake path to source. How about just... That was surprisingly painless. Oh no, but that's for VS. Oh no, that's for Visual Studio. I don't care about Visual Studio. I just care about the libraries. Can I has libraries, please? Ah. Okay, where are the libraries? Examples. Boing. No. Source. .m.h. No. .c.m.h. .c.h. Filters. PC. No. Vulcan.c, of course. Oh, screw it. We're gonna wing it. Okay, is it the wrong L? No, invalid argument, never mind. I get so excited. I pray you don't run into any runtime errors. Runtime errors are the best thing. You know how easy runtime errors are to handle in comparison to freaking linking everything together? If I could just have a runtime error instead of library linking error, I would love it. What are the static libraries in? Static library extension Windows. Was it .a? .a, alright. Can I just look up .a? Can you give me all the .a files? No, you cannot, clearly. You clearly cannot. Okay. How about GLFW SDK? How about we just look it up and we just look for libraries? Source package. Yeah. Don't mind if I do. Inside. Oh, we have all the libraries. Ah. Libraries. We have all the libraries. Try again. Cool, just have to try again. Sweet. A libvc. Okay, now we have to find the right one. Oh, that actually looks like. Oh, I already had those files. I don't remember where, but I do remember having them. Now, if I'm not mistaken, what we need right now is we need GCC like this, and then, if I do remember correctly, we need to just. All we need to do is link glfw3.lib. Okay, invalid argument. Not quite progress, but GCC linking library. I haven't gotten seen real reads. He's doing really well so far. It's not my first rodeo. It's like my 100th rodeo at this point. GCC help. Oh, screw you. Help. What's the difference between capital L? Well, which one do I want? Capital L or lowercase l? Can I just do L and you figure it out? No argument L. No, I mean, no input files. Ooh, files. Input files, keyboard, use input files. Can I just get help for what L is? Target help, you say. Yep, that seems like something. Do I just tell you L and then you tell me how? GCC L. No one looking for C programming language. Anyone here remember how to link a library? L option GCC. Yes. Suggest name library linking makes different. Name programming language is the one you recommend. C. That's my favorite one. You know what? Screw it. We're just gonna include. We're just gonna do capital L. This. Like this, and then we're gonna do glfw3.lib. I'm fine, I'm good. All I need to do is just do this. I forgot to add the freaking glfw3.lib. Is it the right stuff? Okay. Progress? No, not really. To be fair, this could be... Do C#, please. C#? No, I don't like C#. C# is weird. Let's do build partial 1 because it's gonna be quite a command. And I just like rather have it saved. But we're trying to code. So far I'm just trying to open the window using glfw. No, it doesn't seem like it, but that is all I'm trying to do. Okay. How about we just add in all the files? So, what can I do DLL? Can you figure out with DLL? Can you link a DLL statically? Oh yeah, build PowerShell. Okay, that's actually surprisingly better. Because if I'm not mistaken, if we take this, if we do DLL.lib, which does as wild as this. Never mind. Okay, good. I'm fine, whatever. To be fair, it's my fault. I know, it's my fault for trying to do it manually, but... Have you ever heard of Lua? Yes, I have. Clear color, geo clear. That's GL. OpenGL makes sense, actually. Oh yeah, we're not linking anything from OpenGL, I just realized. We're just doing glfw. Well, then no wonder this isn't working. It doesn't exist. Okay. Progress or no progress? Okay, can I get back my thing, please? Okay, so it errors. It compiled. Okay, first step. It compiled. Alright, we have glfw. Sick. Now for the step 2. Add OpenGL. Building OpenGL. That's why it's making us most frustrated. Yeah, it's just timed. Starting with OpenGL. Yeah. We need to drive the appropriate drivers, right? No, wait, I do have drivers. I'm fine. I actually updated them very recently. Wait, didn't I download an SDK? Or am I crazy? I mean, I am crazy, but... I downloaded the glfw apparently. OpenGL SDK, yes. I'm sorry, I brain freeze all of a sudden. Is there a OpenGL docs? No. Would you happen to have maybe OpenCL? Oh no. Goodness no. No, it's all OpenCL. Okay, so I think I get at least what OpenGL is. Where can I get the... Maybe I have OpenGL. Hold on, let me check. I obviously, maybe I have the... I have Vulkan SDK. We could do Vulkan. We could do Vulkan. We shouldn't though. We so very much shouldn't. It would be a bit of a flex. Everyone, give me a peace of mind. Should I go the reasonable way or the difficult way? What are we picking? No, I shouldn't do Vulcan. That's idiotic. The only reason why I would go Vulcan is because I already have everything set up for it. At least I should have everything set up. I had Vulcan. I'm pretty certain it's Vulcan with a K. If I do remember correctly. Coin flip. Oh, Max, that's a phenomenal idea. You know what? That you might be onto something. Coin flip online. What's the reasonable way? Was the difficult way? The reasonable way is OpenGL, which will have everything we need, and the difficult way will be Vulcan, which will also have everything we need, but it will be an absolute overkill. So, like, imagine you have a bear on your property, right? A bear, like you're just scared, right? The bear is gonna kill you, it's just gonna eat you. Then your options basically are, for getting rid of the bear, your options are using a gun, using a tank, or using a nuclear warhead. So that's right now we're trying to decide between a gun and a tank, honestly. Okay, so now it's time to decide which one should be which. Heads, OpenGL, because it's reasonable, and tails, Vulcan, because of the other option. Let's see. It's Vulcan. Okay. Wait, gun is the simplest option? Yes, the gun is the simplest option. But we're apparently not doing the simplest option. Now, fortunately for me, should have went for the warhead. No, OpenCL scares me, alright? Me. I made an engine in Vulcan 5 times in a row, and OpenCL scares me. I don't want to do OpenCL. It's terrifying. It's awful. I don't like it. No. Okay, so what's really nice about this is that we should hopefully have everything set up for Vulcan. What's really not nice about this is that we will need a lot of boilerplate. Yeah, right here we can just delete the parameters. This is my build file I've made for myself. And we can just, yeah, we're doing it with GC. So, OpenCL is not trouble, make it trouble OpenCL. Yeah, for OpenCL, I'm actually scared of OpenCL. It's awful. I tried it once. It didn't go well. There were many casualties. Actually, anything that make it hates or is scared of. Good luck, Max, if you want. Like, I can put it. OpenCL, go for it. It's right here. Try your best. So, all of this, we don't need this because this is from source Vulcan input. That's my Vulcan, which means we don't care. Yes. So basically, in order to do it, we'll need a Vulcan tutorial to guide us through. For which we either can go with Vulcan tutorial, or we can go with VK guide. I've used both in the past. This one uses VK Bootstrap, if I don't remember correctly, which is a bit of a problem, but as an upside, I remember this one had some sort of, I don't remember what it was exactly. This one doesn't use VK Bootstrap. But there was something else, but weird. C standard lib. I mean, these libraries are odd. Oh, it uses classes. I remember now. This one uses classes. Yeah, okay. No. I have an idea. Let's try something. I might have an idea. Just delete this, delete this, delete this. I might have an idea which might work. Everyone, pray. Pray for me now. Everyone. Every single person. Okay, even if you're an atheist, I need you to pray for me. Pray for this moment. Please walk. It's fine. You can do it. I believe in your body. I believe in you so much. You can do it. I believe. Come on. Okay, it's fine. It's... Damn it! Header X64O. Oh wait, no. This could be fine. Because I'm pretty certain we just forgot to link the... Yeah, we didn't generate the assembly files. Okay, could be worse. What we need to do is we need to do math. Because we didn't link the math assembly files. Okay. And the orchestra can solve all of them. Mainly Lady Luck, Fortuna, whatever you want to call it. Okay, header, why is that header not real? What did you do? DLL? Is that what we're missing? We might be missing DLL too. Come on. Unable to open file linking .0x64 x. Why? Okay, how about we slowly get rid of stuff? Like we get rid of this, for example, because... Oh, Nazim failed. Oh boy. Yeah, because we should be doing Windows math, not math. No wonder it failed. Never mind, it's still broken. Cool. Okay, do we need that header? Do we do we really need that header? I'm just saying. Do we actually need it? You know, we don't care about math, do we? We don't need my own math. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Math C isn't working. That's to be expected. Math C isn't working because it shouldn't be working. So how about we just turn all of this off and we try again? Oh, cool. Okay, so both of them. Okay, both of them broken. All right. The point is, there isn't much of a point. It broke right away. New competition every time making us gasp on stream. Yeah, the counter of how many of those were for no reason, because nothing happened. How's the animation going, by the way? 93, okay, so it's slowly coming along. You can also set up another one while I think it over. Because on one hand... Wait, can't I go on GitHub to, like, previous things? Can I... how's it done? Ventum engine, yeah. But can't I pick an old commit? Because if I could go for... the first walking engine. Mwah. Mwah. That would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. Just straight up beautiful. Before I added all of the MKT DLLs and you know, suck it. Git checkout new branch. A Git repository contains history at all times. Reclaim repository, claim with its full history, and then make the branch from whatever command you want. Git checkout. Okay, so we have this. Which is good. Now, bon appetit then, boo. Good luck, nigga. Thanks, I'm gonna need it. Okay, can I get like an oversimplified TLDR, because it's not gonna lie, I'm not much of a Git user. Well, I am a Git user, it's just that I guess I should use make too. In order to do it properly, I should use make. The problem I should CMake. Well, first of all, I definitely need to go back to the older commit. I remember I did it once before. You get like a code of... Oh, there we go. 141 commits, sweet. Minor cleanup, no. No. Minor changes, first walking engine. That's assembly, way before assembly. Roll to pick. Oh, that's the quite advanced stuff. 1 point, yeah, no. Oh, there we go. Can I just clone this comment? Okay. Git checkout B. For 100% the command ID from John proceed. Okay, new branch, but can I just do OpenCL scares me? It should. It should. Git checkout. Checkout B. What does B do? Can you tell me? B requires value. Oh, alright. Branch this. We switch branches. Okay, I don't care about my changes much, so can I just... How about I just delete the whole thing and then clone it again? How about that? I feel like that's a solid idea. Branch not found. Okay, so oh, I need to give it the... That makes sense. I get it now. Okay, I kind of get it now. So Ventum engine, yeah, that's the branch name you need. Ah, there we go. That's what we're looking for. That's what we were looking for. This should be the first fully walking engine, and if I do remember correctly, it was really clean. That's if I do remember correctly. The build still has a lot of stuff in it, which, well, it's a bit shady. And you still have everything. Oh no, did I clone the right thing? Readme? I didn't. No, these are the future things. I didn't clone the right thing. What? What did I... How do you clone the thing? I'd like to clone the thing, this thing. Can I clone that thing? Can I clone this? I'm supposed to read this, but I would like to. guess git clone okay multi up, but the commit this thing this. Git clone commit git clone repository. Okay, so we just git clone, then cd into the folder, and then we check out to that commit. Did it work? I don't think so. Doesn't seem like it. Mud. Oh! Looks like it worked. Why are there so many things still in the build? Doesn't make much sense. Really? Yes, it worked! Okay, good, 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 good. 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 Really good. Really. Oh, that's a lot more than I was expecting. Alright, I see. We've got some problems. Extend. Why do we... What is extend? What's extend? Oh no, that was my... something... Oh no. Source Vulkan... Utils. Why are there 2 dots in there? Doesn't make... I don't know. Utils... Wait. Oh, my lord. What's my coding? Nothing. I'm trying to fix the thing I've already coded. Can we switch to an even older checkout actually? That would be convenient. I need the simplest setup engine. To be fair, that was the first working one, which may mean there was something even simpler that would still functional. Basic error handling, basic error... Oh, we haven't got error handling. Ah, oh, so many things. I just remembered why I don't like it. How to accelerate engine code. Such a memory lane, but no. The more jacked you are, the better you are at coding. That's just a fact, actually. Or actually, it goes the other way. The better you are at coding, the more you are jacked, actually. Yeah, it's causality. How about tutorial? Let's start simple. Manual for stamping language. Don't see install package. Initialize because OpenGL is platform independent. There's no way to. It's really OpenGL complex creations. I just want to set it up, okay? Fine, we'll set up. Oh no, but this is the silly way, isn't it? Isn't that the silly way where we need to like get GLFW and glue and all the other things? But I don't want to get the other things. I'm pretty certain we also did set up. Oh wait, we didn't here, didn't we? Oops. Ah, bless me. For I am amazing. Int main glue experimental true. No, we don't. I don't want to use glue. Or GLM. I care about neither. You draw a triangle. I'm curious, constantly intrigued. Wait, what did we struggle with when it goes to GLW? Bless you, thank you. We struggle with something. We're linking something. Yes, standard headers, obviously we don't care about glue. GLF, this will be a necessary one. GLM, well, we're trying to avoid GLM, and then just int main is simple enough. Well, we don't want we don't want glue. All right. This should be it. I can just copy it. GitHub, I suppose. So now, well, good luck, then, Max. Good luck. I already closed the GLF W thing. Wait, I'm using version 3.3.6. Wasn't there like a full version? I'm not using old GLW. No, it's OpenGL. Okay, GLW should be fine. Include. There. And it breaks because of glue, which we don't care for. Glue, or all the glue stuff right here. We don't care about glue, we don't care about glue, we don't want glue. Alright, now it fails because we need to link it up. It'll be simple enough. We should just be able to go for this and then just compile them together. I know I did this, that's what we should have done. And then glfw3.dll. Alright. glfw3dll.lib. Oh yeah, and then we don't have GL, so of course we can't use GL, which we don't have. Alright, now it compiles, but if we run it, we get nothing, which is a problem. The question is, why do we get nothing? Print A. That's how we do error checking. Printf, obviously, printf. We don't even get the A. Okay, so it just breaks right away. That's sweet, that's nice, yeah, that's cool. Okay. Now what we have to do is just undo it one by one and see what breaks. I have to get rid of all the comments to make sure that I don't uncomment something that was a comment. And yeah, that's how professionals do it. What did I miss? Not much. Alright. And yeah, so GLFW just breaks. Cool. I'm really hungry. Okay, it's fine. What other tutorials do we have access to? Modern opportunity. I don't really care about modern, I just care about it walking in the slightest. OpenGL introduction. Hopefully building stuff is also in there. Introduction. Before we take over, make sure you have all the things you need. Reasonable amount of experience with C++, the graphics and OpenGL. Why all of these? GLFW, I have the, yeah, that actually makes sense. Glue to use new, nope. Solve textures, nope. GLM, focus matrices, nope. We do not have these, we don't care, we do have everything above what these we should have. So context creation first. Pseudocode, yep. No. SDL, no. Although I do have the SDL. GLFW. Wait. Why is it? Huh? No, absolutely not. We're not doing it this way. I mean, we'll do it in a similar way, but first of all, do we need thread? Doesn't feel like GLW, and this also get rid of. It still broke. Okay, cool. Alright. It's cool. That's cool. It's fine. Whatever. Can I just add this in? You mind linking this for me? This specific file? Now all I need to do is just... I can get rid of the last thing in the build. I mean, obviously this is the problem. Wait, what happens if I get rid of the GLL one, the DLL one? Because it is dynamic load library. That I'm not even loading dynamically. Nope. Okay. Alright. Okay. So you find the headers in the include folder, which, yeah, I included, and the libraries for your compiler in one of the lib folders, which, funny enough, I did not have a lib folder. I added my own libraries folder with... Is that the problem? They are just not appropriate? Do I need to use this one? Actually might be it. Could be. We have include. We have include in here. There, just use this one. I could just edit in the code, I guess. At this point, might as well. Wait, isn't this the same version? Okay, wait, am I an idiot? I might be an idiot. No, never mind. That's not me. I mean, if you want to simulate with GL, then I could share library with executable. I'd rather not. I would really rather not, but did I link the wrong thing? I also might have. Free.lib. Well, yeah, it's. I wouldn't call it exactly compiling properly, I don't think. I'm having fun! Thank you very much for asking. Ah, I love setting stuff up. It's the best. After you download GLW binaries package from the website, you find the headers in the include folder and libraries in one of the lib folders. Yeah, I opened one of the lib folders and guess what? It's not working properly, is it? It's not quite. I'm hungry and angry. Both. So what we're missing is... imp. Is it because we also need to link OpenGL? Get device caps. That sounds like a Kronos thing. Ask in the comments and we'll receive help. There's boilerplate code. Oh. Do need CMake. Okay. I'm hungry and angry. Can't focus. Okay, make it. How about we just, instead of using the SDKs we already have, we just download them and just try it over. I guess we'll have to do. But like just the OpenGL with a window, nothing fancy, please. OpenGL too. That's a kind of deal breaker for me. Okay, OpenGLtutorial.org, they certainly know what they are doing, so maybe I should just... Oh wait, that's the same thing, isn't it? Cool. Anything else? Learn OpenGL, alright. Come on, one of them has to just have a tutorial. Okay, not quite. OpenGL, yeah, OpenGL. Oh yeah, any more than me. Okay, no, I'm just. Creating a window. Yes, please. GLFW, building GLW. Precompiled boundaries and file. Yeah, you know what? Start over completely. Just Windows binaries, download, and just. I know I just downloaded them. I'm fully aware, but start over. Fresh start. Would be sweet. In surgery, yeah, fine, whatever. In surgery. Dependencies, and then we'll just have this in there. There we go. Cool. Got it. Pre-compiled, so it should be fine. Say we'll compile GLW answer from source code. For the process of compiling source libraries, yourself as pre-compiled by source package. And then you use CMake, which as I mentioned, I don't really like. Best project. Okay, so you do it in Visual Studio. I see. Linked library of our project. This can be done by specifying we want to use GLFW3 library in the linked links, but our project does not, identify GLFW lib. Okay, so what we need is GLFW lib. That is what we need. So, linking libraries in GCC. Just to make sure that OpenGLY had VBoo, because it's, well, funny enough, because it would be simple. Sunny, check. That's not quite object file name. That's a different operating system. Static libraries, Windows in GCC. Okay, so it is L. That's probably what I was doing correctly then. That would make sense. That would certainly make sense. So we go in right here. They're using Visual Studio. We're just gonna make it ourselves. So GCC and then L dependencies lib VC 2022, I'm assuming, and then glfw 3.lib. And have fun. Bye there, boo. Have a good one. Have a good one. Consider it linked. Now I'm guessing we also need a header file, correct? Yeah. Would you look at me? So smart. And that should be it. Do I need it as a string? No, I'm saying it's fine. Okay. Glad. Oh no, I don't want to be using glad. No, I'm just trying to use the sound specification to drive manufacture the bin specification to drive the sports. Since there are many different versions of GL drivers, the vision function is not known about them and needs to be quite. No, I don't care for glad. Okay. Sweet. Hello window. I sure do hope so. So first we're gonna include GLW, and we're not gonna include glad because we're just cool that way. And then this, which from what it looks like is just the code to initialize GLFW. So it should be a perfect way to see. What do you mean no such file directory? This doesn't make much. Did I? Yeah, into dependencies. I don't know. Dependencies. Library. VC 2022 glfw free.lib. Huh? Sorry. Oh, do you need the Windows symbols? Do you? That's really. That seems a bit. Nope, not such file directory. I beg to differ. I actually beg to differ. It really feels like it's right there, you know. Okay, so apparently this is how I should do it? Can't find invalid argument. Alright, cool. So now we got 2 errors, no one. Alright. Can I just do it like this? No such file directory. What do you... Oh wait, am I in the wrong spot? No, I'm not in the wrong spot. CD? GLFW, forgot about this. I'm such an idiot. There we go. And now we can link it. Hopefully. At least. Just file directory. Okay, now this doesn't make much sense because I'm pretty certain that is a. How about now? Okay. Copy relative path. Alright, so there's no such file directory. GCC link. There is one possibility. No, okay, no. Because sometimes the linker is adding lib on top or removing it. No such file as directory as this, you say. Well, I beg to differ. You know? Let's try this again. Okay, let's try this again. I'm going to be really upset soon. Yes, undefined reference to win main. Well, that sounds like something. Okay, cool. You got it. You got something. You linked the library. Sweet. Sick. Now, simple.c and this. And then we need to obviously include a header, which will be in the dependencies, and then glw, and then include, and then this. Then we get a couple of errors. It's only a couple. Yeah, it's like 1 or 2 errors. Hi there, Roxana. Welcome. Make assume it was so random. I might in the future. Why are you struggling already? It doesn't make any sense. I've linked the GLW thing. Well, GLW itself. What's the problem? So if I link like this, it doesn't work because it can't find glfw3.lib. If I link it like this, okay, let's see how I linked it in maybe capital L? No, capital L should be directory for linking. Let's see how I linked it over here. I'm pretty certain it's using glw, so lglfw, lglw3, that's how I linked it. Capital L to, okay, let's try it. Let's try it. Capital L to this. Is it progress? No, it's not. Don't call it progress. That's not progress in the slightest. Still broken. Where did you get the music up from? Undefined reference to sprint. Oh wait, are you just lacking freaking normal libraries? If that's the case, then I swear include standard IOH or include standard libh. If you're lacking just standard libraries, oh my, no wait, this broke, this, no, okay. Sprint, I'm sorry, that's... That's from standard IO. I'm very much including that. Okay. I'm fine. GLFW. Okay. This is already way too far, that's because, you see, we don't even have the GLW because it's not working! It's not linked properly, apparently. Yeah, I can have the include. Yeah, undefined reference to the no... Yeah! Wow! That's remind. No, I'm gonna give up soon, don't worry. Yeah. You need to link the OpenGL. You need to. Okay, well, that should fix it then. Never mind, that's the wrong one. Okay, so we just need to link the right OpenGL library then. I should have them too. Oh, but I have to link them to the SDK, that makes sense. But where do I have them? That's a whole different story. Just for a moment. No, it's fine. I'm almost done. Listen, the boulder is already practically up the mountain, okay? I do have this very convenient folder. Right here. With which we can just W3 and then we can just link everything we want. Like for example right now, build, and it's broken. Wait, why is it broken? Undefined reference to win main. Oh yeah, because we're not building actually, if anything, that makes sense. Simple C, okay. Now that include breaks, but that's only because this path is wrong. GL FW 3.4.bin.Windows 64 and then include. Now we do it. We get the lots of errors, which, okay, progress. Now we just need to link the right thing, which I'm assuming will be OpenGL. One of these should do the trick. Would you look at that? And it actually worked. Sweet. Wow. I love setting up projects in C. It's so much fun. It's fine. I'm fine. I'm having fun. I'm having fun. Haha. Yeah. Right here we can just create a window, actually. If I'm not mistaken, should be it. Should be able to create a window. Never mind. We can't. We're clearly still missing something. I'm guessing we're missing this. No, okay. Are we missing Vulcan 1? Why Vulcan 1? Why not Vulcan? There's a difference between Vulcan 1. What else do we need to link? Can I just link everything? In my engine I'm linking OpenCL twice. Because I'm just that cool. Oh, GL clear actually. Wow, would you look at? I'm so clever. We got in the window. Can we resize it actually? Oh, this is incredible. You have no idea how impressive that is. Okay, good. Consider changing your channel description also add from addition to quantum physics. I could change my channel description to that guy who made addition to quantum physics, because that's all I'm known for. I'm done. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm angry. Yeah, that's actually all free. I'm done. I am sick of it. Next stream might do a coding live stream though. Next stream I might set it up. Oh, and the animation finished rendering. That's sweet. Well, I'm gonna go work on different videos and hopefully finish as many of them as possible. And so, for now, that'll be it. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and bye.